Hi, welcome to the first video in our introductory R programming course. This course is mostly designed for absolute beginners to programming. No prior programming knowledge is required as we will start from the very beginning. All you need is basic math to begin. If you haven't already, please watch our What is Programming video. It will give you some information that could make learning programming easier. The link to that video should pop up on your screen, and another link will be in the description box if you need it. You can also find a link to the course playlist in the description box, and if you enjoy our videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel to get notified when new videos are uploaded. Now, let's talk a bit about R. If you watched our previous videos, this will be a quick refresher for you. But R is a popular programming language for data science. It is also free and open source, and it was specially designed for statistical analysis, but it has evolved to be a great language for data science. As for this course will cover the basics of R programming with a focus on what is needed to get started with data science. I just want to make it clear that in this course, we will not be doing data science specific stuff yet. We will cover only the necessary fundamental topics to help you better understand more advanced applications for data science, and these applications will be covered in future courses. For aspiring data scientists, we recommend that you don't spend too much time on the basics. The sooner you can start doing data science projects, the better, especially for those seeking jobs. This is the reason we only cover the bare minimum. Well, the bare minimum according to us. This is so that you can move on to the next steps. So what exactly will we cover? Well, the basics or fundamentals in any case are very important as they are the building blocks for whatever you need to do. However, learning the basics can be a little boring or sometimes it feels pointless. So let's link what we will cover in this course to what we will need as a data scientist in the future. In data science, we work with data in different formats. The example mentioned previously was tabular format or table format. This is the most common format, or at least our goal or preferred format to work with. Here's an example of such a table. Tables are a collection of data entries that are arranged in rows and columns. We're going to need to work with the entire table and also its individual components as we go through the data science process. In this course, instead of looking at the entire table from the get-go, we will start from the ground up. We will look at the individual components and then build up to working with the entire table or other data formats. In future courses, we would like to explore doing it the other way around. Like each option has its merits, so why not? As you learn the basics, always keep the bigger picture in mind. Everything you learn can come together to help you make and do some awesome things. Right, so here are the specific topics that we will cover. We will start by getting R, either using it through a free online resource or downloading it on our computer. Then we will work with R as a calculator to get us to understand how to write and run or execute R code. After that, we will explore some functions in R. Doing this on basic math can help you focus on just learning the new stuff. Then we will learn about data types and how to work with them in R. From our table, some data entries are numbers like age, and some are words or text like country. We even have missing values in our table as well. Different data types are treated differently in R, and they have different rules. After learning about data types, we would then look at data structures, which are collections of data. First, we have vectors, which are like rows or columns in a table. We will learn some functions and features to help manipulate or work with these vectors. We will then bring all we have learned together to see how a table-like structure called data frames can be made in R. Lastly, we will also learn what packages are and the different packages that are used by data scientists. Throughout the course, we will work on creating a simple rock, paper, scissors game. I chose this game because it was the reason I fell in love with programming in university. It was on an assignment we were given in first year, and it was the first time the theory we were learning became practical to me. I even called my mom to show her. So making this game will incorporate almost all the topics we will cover. We will do other coding exercises as well and provide examples along the way, a couple of which are a note to what we will do later for data science. We encourage you to code along, which may help you understand things better and develop problem-solving skills that are key to programming. You can also think about anything simple you would like to build, and you can build it along with us. This can be right away or after you learn a certain topic. You can think of an application for it. This again builds the problem-solving skills that are key to programming. The end goal is to be able to create something simple with the basics and connect everything together to make something else. After completing this course, you should be ready to go through programming for the data science process. We have come to the end of our video. The next step, or the next video rather, will be on how to get R. So just a reminder, there's a link to the playlist in the description box, and we will update the playlist with any new videos when they are ready. Thank you so much for watching. Please share and subscribe if you enjoy the video. We appreciate both positive feedback and constructive criticism, so throughout the course, please let us know what you think in the comment section. Bye-bye.